In this question, you're asked to find the equation of a line whose inclination is 75 degrees, that is, which makes an angle of 75 degrees with x-axis and which passes through the point 2 and 2 root 3. So the inclination is given and the point through which the line passes is given. So if you know the inclination, that means you know the slope. The slope is nothing but tan of inclination, it's tan of 75 degrees. So in trigonometry, this is one of the standard angle for which you need to remember the ratios. So tan 75 is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So you know the slope, you know the point. So the equation is y minus y1 is equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 times x minus x1. So you can just cross multiply this. So y times root 3 minus 1 minus 2 root 3 times root 3 minus 1 is equal to root 3 plus 1 times x minus 2 times root 3 plus 1 minus 2 times root 3 plus 1. So y times root 3 minus 1 minus 6 plus 2 root 3 is equal to root 3 plus 1 times x minus 2 root 3 minus 2. You have a plus 2 root 3 here, have a minus 2 root 3. So you send the y term that side and the remaining terms this side. So x times root 3 plus 1 minus y times root 3 minus 1 is equal to, so 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 4 root 3 minus 2 becomes plus 2 here, so minus 4. So this will be the required equation of straight line. Thank you.